I'm taking this video because it's all this water that is coming down in Torres. Pieve seems a bit of a strange thing, but now the water is still percolating from the hillsides, and now it's sunnier, the weather has improved, but there were about 175 millimeters of rain within the space of 3 days, mostly fallen yesterday night and this morning, and so the water is still coming out. It's decreased a little, but it's still coming down from the hillsides. While the weather has clearly improved, on the other side it's the lake and it's much nicer now.